Okay, so number 3, which polynomial function could be represented by the graph below? So unfortunately, there is no graph below, and I'm just gonna kind of infer from this response here. So from the graph we can conclude the given parabola. Okay, so this is a parabola with a vertex at 3 minus 3. So that is important. Okay, so it's at 3 minus 3, and we know that x minus 2 and x minus 4 are factors because it has roots at x equals 2. So roots at x equals 2 and 4. So that implies that this function can be broken up into the product of x minus 2 and x minus 4. Because at these values of x, our y is going to be 0. So multiplying these out, we get x squared minus, actually, we can hold off on that for the time being. So the other thing is that we have to make sure that the vertex satisfies this equation. And if it doesn't, we have to add some sort of factor, because that's what we know is wrong with our function. So f of x in this case is going to be minus 3, and plugging in for x, we're going to get 3 minus 2 times 3 minus 4. And then we're going to have some sort of constant here, c. And if this is true right here, so if 3 minus 2 times 3 minus 4 is minus 3, then c is just 1. But if it is not true, then we have to set c accordingly so that we don't change the roots, but 3 minus 3 is also a vertex. So we're going to have c times 1 times minus 1. So minus 3 is equal to minus c, and that means that c is not equal to 1, c is actually equal to 3. So really what our equation here should be is f of x is equal to 3 times x minus 2 times x minus 4. So this satisfies the condition for the vertex, and it satisfies the two conditions for a root, because if we were to plug in 2 or 4, we would get f of x being 0. By multiplying this out, let's just get the official quadratic form. So we're going to get 3 times x squared minus 6x plus 8, and then we're just going to get f of x is 3x squared minus 18x plus 24, which is the correct answer as given right here. So I'm going to write that this is the correct solution. Great job. And that concludes number 3.